these these numbers A, B, C such that this ratio delta P divided by L power A, Q power B and mu power C is dimensionless. A, B, C are basically real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. They can be positive, negative, usually they are integers, but we'll say they are real numbers. Okay? So we want to choose A, B and C such that this ratio itself is dimensionless. How do you do that? This is where dimensions come handy. What was the dimension of pressure? Pressure is mass ml T to the minus 2 divided by L squared, so I will say per length, divided by the dimension of length is simply A, the dimension of Q is L, T power minus 3 raised to the power B, and then mu is M length inverse time inverse power C. I want to say that this adds up, or this is exactly 1, because that's what will make this quantity dimensionless. That is, the powers of the dimensions on the numerator and the denominator must exactly match each other. So if that is my constraint, look at the dimensions for mass, length and time on the numerator and the denominator. Let's look at mass first. M on the numerator, this is 1, this is numerator, this is denominator. 1 for mass and the denominator, that is equal to C. So obviously that implies C equals 1. Okay, simple. C equals 1. This is by considering mass. Now let me look at length next. If I look at length, what do I have on the numerator? Minus 1. What do I have in the denominator? A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. I already know C is 1, so I have A plus B minus 1. Okay, that is equal to minus 1, which means A plus B is 0 or A equals minus B. Okay, it's like equation solving, A, B, C. Okay, and then I am looking at time. On the denominator, on the numerator I have minus 2, and on the denominator I have minus 3 minus C. Minus 3B minus C. Okay, I know C is 1. So this is minus 3B minus 1. So I get minus 1 equals minus 3B. No, sorry. C minus 3B minus C. So B equals 1/3. Yeah, B equals 1/3. Okay. Then if B equals 1/3, then A must be minus 1/3. A must be minus 1/3. So what do I have here? So this is like delta P divided by length power 1 and then Q. Mu times Q, mu times q power 1 by 3